Listen. I just wrapped up intake. Well, actually, what is this? This is an onboarding call. You just enrolled in a program. Dr. Livingston, what's this experience been like with you today?
Oh, number
Ah,
one,
you,
sales
wait, wait,
blast.
wait. You still smiling and laughing? Tell me what's brought about that? Come on, talk to
Oh
me.
my gosh. I think we've just finished $1 million session. I feel like I am ready to put my life's work on paper for everybody to benefit from, especially my baby boomers. Um, I've been starting this book, doing processes, getting ready to do this book for almost 50 years. And I think in the time that we've spent together today, this very short time we've spent together today, you've given me the inspiration and the highlight and the sparkle that I need to stay motivated and to bring it to completion. I want to thank you so very much.
What were you struggling with before we got on the call? By the way, how did we get connected? Tell them a little bit about that. Tell them about how we got connected, because how that came together.
I'm a surfer on the internet quite a bit, but on this particular day, I put my telephone into a very, you know how we older ladies do, put it in the safe
Private,
place, keep it safe.
private compartment.
Absolutely, absolutely. And all of a sudden, I'm hearing this voice talking about ought to write a book together. Now, what you didn't know is I've been writing this book, like I said, for almost 50 years. And this particular day, I think God just said, this divine appointment, you're going to get it done. And here's your mentor. And so I took it out. I found Clubhouse. There you were. And I stayed to listen to the end and filled out the form at the end of your podcast. And
Now,
then we followed up. We had a couple of hurricanes, but we're still here together today. I believe that this has been a divine appointment for today. Thank
wow.
you.
Okay, so now tell us about the title and the subtitle. How did you? How? Oh, won't you tell us about How did it feel for for us to come up with that title and subtitle together? How did it feel? Tell me what you're feeling as a result of getting that title.
Well, let me try reading this title and subtitle to you.
Yeah, do that.
Everlasting Joy, a guide for baby boomers to stay connected and create community. No, wait a minute. Just we have
It's
to
okay.
edit it. A guide
No, you.
for baby boomers that will leave them will leaves a legacy of laughter, love, and life. I'd like to read the version that we actually printed out.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
you don't mind because it is so good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Everlasting Joy,
Uh-huh.
a guide for baby boomers to share their story, fulfill their purpose, and build a community that leaves a legacy of laughter, love, and life. I love it. And what more can I say? Um, it's like that cornerstone that you need to build on. So I know I can do what I was sent here to do, and that's to complete this book to share the joy of life.
What would you say to somebody out there who've been wrestling with a book for a long time and they've been like trying to get it done and they've been stuck? What would you say to that person?
I would say take a chance on yourself and take a chance on Dr. Fred. Because if the rest of the journey is anything like today has been, you will never regret it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I look forward to working with you. And congratulations on getting started. And I guarantee you, your life will never be the same.
I believe that.